We need one more pillar. Okay, you know what? Feathers. We'll just get as many feathers as I can so I can just stay off the ground. That's like the key to, that's like the key to phase 1 of Mithrix, at least, I find. Like, the key to phase 1 of Mithrix is, to just stay the fuck off the ground, and you'll be mostly good. I'm sorry, Bono, I didn't mean to. Is that a red? No, that's an orange. God damn it. The damn thing got my hopes up. Pato, you know I love you. Truths, Pato. Come on. Pato, we're buddies. Come on. No, you don't. Okay. I'm just gonna very casually walk towards him so that my sprint charge doesn't accidentally activate and just waste my zap. Because I want to zap the fuck out of this guy. Alright. Zap the fuck out of him. Zap the fuck out of him. Yeah, he's dead. Oh my god. I mean, that was definitely an effective way to take care of him. Alright, I'll just use my sprinting to take care of that. Alright, he's gonna come back center stage, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's just zap the fuck out of him again. Okay, now I just have to hope that I don't fuck this last bit up. Wait, do I still have my fuel cells? Alright, shit, okay. Yeah, zap the fuck out of him. There we go. He's dead. How did I still have my fuel cells when he took away the rest of my fucking equipment? What the fuck? Why did I still have my M4 Lightning? Why did I still have my M4 Lightning Strike? Oh shit, okay. Get me up there, please, you fuck. God damn it, okay. That wasted a little bit of my precious time. And there are Void Reavers all over the place. Walls coming the fuck up. Ah, okay. Oh god, that's a Void Reaver. No, I do not want to deal with that shit. It's okay, we got plenty of time. Oh god, my hands are starting to go numb. My hands are starting to go numb. This is not a drill. Oh god, okay. Oh, that's a Void Reaver, okay. Okay, we're good. I'll just zap the fuck out of any Void Reavers that run past. There we go. Okay, okay. Shit. Fuck, I'm trying not to repeat myself too much. Get the speedy speed? Maybe. Personally, I think the speedy speed is only worth it if I get Little Disciple. If I have Little Disciple, the speed is worth it. There's some dead commandos near the ship? Really? I can't tell. I'm in like too much of a... Oh, I see them. Fuck. Are those the runs where I died? Okay. Rescue chip is at 80%. I think we're good. Oh, okay, they're my allies from before since I dropped it from an escape pod. I see. And, oh god. Well, I made it. Yeah, I mean, I had like 70 or 80 odd crowbars, so... Well, that's 4 Risk of Rain solo runs completed. Once I have more solo runs, once I have more completed solo runs than deaths, I'll get rid of the death stats on my screen. So once I've completed 6 solo runs in that case.